Hi, my name's Andrew. I will be your course instructor for this up and coming course, which is going to involve the making of this fantastic Danish bar stool. But it's not actually a bar stool, it's actually a counter stool or a kitchen. So it's 650mm high, and it will consist of the Danish weave, which is quite in depth. We'll show, there'll be templates for it, so you'll be able to follow along with the weaving process. The chair itself, as we mentioned, it's 650 high. We can make it in walnut, we can make it in oak. There's, generally speaking, quite a lot of work involved. More sculpting than straight lines, which is initially the reason I designed this chair. So if we have a look, we've got lots of roundovers, lots of nice soft edges. We've got some detailing on the front legs, so we've got some rebates on the cross stretchers. These flow very nicely. So there's a lot of jointing techniques in building the chair. There'll be some mortise and tenon work involved. So you're going to be using planers, thicknessers, lots of hand tools, table saw, bandsaw, scrapers, all sorts of different tools, and then right through to the weave. We'll be using oil wax finishers to put a finish on it. So come along either on the day course, which will be for the weave. If you want to produce the whole stool, we will be doing 2 courses. There will be the online course where you can follow along. There'll be templates for making the chair, or come into the workshop and join us in the workshop where we'll make the whole chair from start to finish. So I hope you can join us. Okay, thank you. Bye.